So last night we had a cell phone loss again. This isn't mine, but it was lost and we found it. I got another video how to find your phone when it's lost off the compound, and it was down the street. Of course, some blind idiot, you know, they see a phone laying in the street in this non-traveled little alley. Of course they run over it because, you know, everyone's blind in this world. They don't look ahead. They just run over everything. It happened in my phone too. I was just so mad at society that they do not see this big black thing in the ground, and they'll run over it. And the streets are basically white here. It just stands right out. So it shattered. Still works, but the problem was it was so shattered that glass was coming out of it. So if you have it, obviously this needs to be replaced. But if you still need to use your phone, because it does function. It got wet and everything, but it charges everything. We dried it out. But the screen is just effed on it. Use packaging tape. Packaging tape is light enough that you can still use a touch screen. You know, like this stuff, shipping packaging tape. Go over it, and that's all you gotta do. Look, now it's a nice smooth surface. Yesterday, when I was doing this, it was literally putting shards of glass on my thumb. Now it's not. So it's a functioning phone that's very blurry and crappy. But that's what you do if your phone screen is smashed because the phone was lost and some idiot ran it over because they don't see it in the road. That's what you do. That pissed me off so bad though again though. Seriously, that people, they freaking run over your damn shit in like 2 seconds. You'll drop it in the road. Someone, I feel so bad for animals. But that's what you do. Packaging tape. Seriously, look, it still works, everything. It's really just messed up, but there you go. Tech tip. Phone. And we got the other video. I'll show you how to track your phone. Any phone, you could do it. It knows your last location. It can ping the phone location, and you get a GPS map where it is. And you grab it, and you go.